Hello writers! Today we're going to be practicing our words for me as well as writing a short sentence. So our first word is right here. Can anybody tell me this word? Dig. D-I-G. I want you to spell it with me. Dig. D-I-G. Good job. Let's go ahead and trace this word as a freshly remind us how to do our lowercase d. We learned this last week. Remember, you start at the top, curve around, go straight up and straight back down without picking up your pencil. Then our I and our G. Okay, now it's our turn. Lowercase d, lowercase I, and G. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to practice the word will. W-I-L-L. Spell it with me. W-I-L-L. Remember, these lines look a little bit different than these lines. So our little letters like W, they are going to stay under the dotted line. So do that with me. W, I, and then our L will start at the top. L, L. Our third word is gate, and I have a picture right here of a gate, so a picture clue if you weren't quite sure what that word was. G-A-T-E. Spell that with me. G-A-T-E. Good job. These lines are like these lines over here, our handwriting without tears lines. So our G is going to start at that top line, curve around, go up, and hook at the bottom. Then we have a little lowercase a, meaning that stays in between these two lines. A tall letter T, and we zoom across. And then that E that we've been working on. Thumbs up when you have that finished. Awesome job. Now we're going to do our sentence for me. Our sentence says, if you want to read it along with me, readers, please feel free. Leo was lost. Remember with our sentences, our first letter is always capitalized in the sentence. We use our finger spacing, and you have to use punctuation at the end. Punctuation either is a question mark, exclamation mark, or a period, and they chose to use a period for this sentence. We also started with a name, Leo. Do you know of a friend named Leo? The names always need to be capitalized in a sentence, no matter if they're the first, second, or third word in a sentence. I want us to practice this uppercase big letter L, so we're going to do that by tracing it as a little reminder, starting at the top all the way down and zoom across. It's very similar to our lowercase L, but you have to add a foot to it. So let's do it in the gray box. Starting at the top, you can always add a dot if you need a reminder, all the way down and zoom across. Then with my small letter E and O, my E needs to start in the middle of the top and bottom line. Zoom across, curve around, and stop. And then you all know that the O is just like a little circle. So now I have my word, the first word, Leo. Now I need to use my finger spacing, and I'm going to write the word was, W-A-S. So W-A-S. Another finger space. L-O-S-T. How many tall letters did I have in the word lost? I had two. I had my L and my T. I'm missing one thing in this sentence. Can you tell me what I'm missing? Awesome job, friends. I'm missing punctuation. I need to remember to add that period So I know, my teacher knows, and everyone who reads my paper knows that I am done with that sentence. How many words are in my sentence? 3. 1, 2, 3. And I know that, and I can see that very quickly and easily because I use my finger spacing. Awesome job, writers. See y'all tomorrow.